Hello everyone, this is Manali here. Welcome back to our channel. And today we are going to talk about how to add a point of sale to your WordPress with WooCommerce for food ordering specifically. So it's a very easy way to do it. And first of all, we need to realize what is point of sale. So a point of sale, also called for point of purchase, is where you ring up customers. When customers check out online, walk up to your checkout counter or pick out an item from your stand or booth, and they're at the point of sale. So your point of sale system is hardware and software that enables your business to make those sales. So that's we call what is point of sale. So I hope you understand that, but let's just skip that part. And the plugin we are going to use for that, because we need a plugin, and what it is Oliver Point of Sale. And you can see we are at the website of oliverpost.com, point of sale, that means. And why this plugin? Because this app is specifically for food ordering. And if we scroll down and realize that it is specifically targeting those audience who are struggling with point of sale, so I believe it's one of the best, and I recommend you guys to use this. So you can integrate any payments to it, as you can see over here. Like if it's Stripe or Apple Pay or Visa, Mastercard or Google Pay, or you can see hardware to suit your needs. Like it's also available on mobile POS devices and all-in-one solution. And there's a lot of things out there which you can see and scroll down and you will realize. So how you can do that, right? So we need to go at our WordPress, right, and go to your plugins, add new, and you need to write Oliver Point of Sale. And the first one, you can see Oliver POS, a WooCommerce point of sale. So you need to download this. Just remember that, don't need to download this point and rewards for WooCommerce. Just remember that, and install it and activate it. And once you activate that, let me show you. Once you activate that, you can see on the left side we have a separate section for this Oliver POS. So first of all, obviously you need to create an account, and it's very easy. Just click on it. It will open up a new window, and I'm just gonna create an account, and I'm gonna like meet you later. But first of all, we need to wait for it. Let me show you how it looks like. So this is how it looks like. And the first one option is Google. You can go ahead and do that. Sign up with Facebook, Apple, and or you can simply write your email, right? So I'm just gonna sign up with my Google account very quickly. So as you can see, here we have multiple options over here, and this is how you can add those items. And right now, obviously, we don't have any product right now over here, like from our website, and I will show you how to do that. But this is how it will take some time, in loading, obviously, but it will end up over here. So after that, what do you need to do? You need to click on this. As you can see, yes, I'm ready to connect my store with Oliver POS. Click on that, and you can see it will ask you like WooCommerce. Yes, for sure, sync my WooCommerce products. So sync my WooCommerce products again. Click on that, and it will take some time, but it will be added very soon. And you can skip that. You can add your number also and manage my shop. Once you click that, you will end up over here. Maybe later, I don't want to add my uh, number, right? So you can see it has application on iOS and Google obviously. And if you scroll down, you have your total orders for month and total sales, monthly revenue and category breakdown. Everything will show up over here accordingly. And if we click on customer, you can see we can like search our customers from over here. And once a customer come over here and register themselves, and we can see them over here obviously. And after that, what you can see that we have payment tabs, like how many payment tabs we have, you can add that over here. And we can also like use Oliver apps, which you can integrate with like individually with Oliver. If you want to add that, like over here, as you can see, you can add Stripe payments also. And we have reports and we have settings. So what you need to do now, you need to click on settings and go to your registers. And you will end up over here. You can register yourself over here. And you can see after that what you need to do, you need to add your products, right? So click on add new. So before you go further, you can see that we need to create our pin. And I'm just gonna write this, so like for this tutorial, right? And as you can see, we are in our products area. So these are the products which I'm going to add over here. And obviously I'm just testing it out, because for you guys, I'm just letting you all know, like I just added that these testing 1, testing 2 and testing 3 for this tutorial, right? And you can easily add that over here. And sorry, add that over here. It's very easy. And you can see once you click on it, you can see that how it looks like and what it is. And you can add the category over here. It's very easy, right? And if you want to add customer, click on that. It will take you right over here, and you can enter your customer details from over here, easy. And if you want to see that over here, you can see that adjust credit, and you can also adjust credit from over here. You can add note from over here and click on create customer. It's very easy. After that, you need to go back obviously. And you can see over here we can also add note also from over here. Add fees over here, like if you are charging extra like delivery charges from over here, like if you want to sell this one, it's very easy. Just write down over here, and they will know, your customers will know like how much they are charging. So it's very easy. So once you click on checkout, please add a list obviously. And I'm just going to do that just for this tutorial sakes, right? And I'm gonna add all of them. Click on checkout, and you can see how it will look like. This is how the customer will see once they are going to check out, right? So you can see obviously customers will be over there. This is all showing for us, right? And you can split that over here. You can see the cards. And if someone want to add a card, if you have already added like Stripe and every single thing, other things, so you can also do that. I'm just gonna close that, all of that. So that's it. So this is how you are going to add your point of sale. And it's very easy. Oliver point of sale is like tool which you can use and take advantage of it. So please go ahead, and I would recommend you to use that. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you understand every single thing. Please leave a like and subscribe. Please comment down below if you have any queries. Thank you for watching this video, and bye bye. Take care.